All right, last one of the day. And I want to know your opinion on this, Will. What you would do if this happened to you. What if... This is definitely not the right article. I think it like auto-played you into oblivion here.
Yeah.
Maybe if you... There you go. What if this was you? Arizona homeowners were in their backyard planting a tree, and they found a buried duffel bag filled with guns. All right, this is you. You just got a place. You're in the backyard, just planting a tree, and you find this duffel bag filled with guns. And by the way, scroll down. I want you to see what type of guns we're talking about as well.
Okay, yeah, I was gonna ask.
Click on the left. Click the one on the left. What? Okay, what are you gonna do, man? That looks like a rusted out M4 or something. Mm-hmm. I mean, we're talking about assault rifles here in the backyard in
and
a duffel bag,
pistols.
and they're all rusty because they likely were ditched in a hurry. Mm-hmm. Like somebody was not storing them here for a long time. They're like, "Yo, you gotta hide those." That's what it feels like.
Yeah.
So, and now you live in this place.
This would be a weird find for me,
Go ahead.
but I wouldn't be too worried about it. I'd be curious to dig more, see if there's like a bag of money there.
Oh, you're looking for the bag of money. I see the angle you're going for. Well, I mean, there is the immediate concern, which is guns that are in this poor shape, if they were loaded,
Yeah.
or like there's the danger aspect. I mean, they're not landmines, but they're certainly weapons in terrible shape. So there's that aspect. Then there's the other aspect, which is if the house or the address was ever connected with criminal elements.
Sure.
If anybody ever came looking for those elements, I'm talking about other criminals.
Yeah.
That would be that would be the only other. And I'm not saying that would be me. I probably think, all right, this is probably over with.
I guess mainly because it looks really old. It's like rusted.
I don't know. That's a good question. It's a good
relief.
question how long it would take just buried in the ground in a duffel bag. And someone's going to have to answer for us in the comment section. How long would it take for a gun to rust out to this degree? Mm-hmm. Is it like a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years? I'm real curious about it. But the question I'm saying is just like if somebody was living at your address prior to you moving in that had enemies, high level gangster type enemies, do you want to be in that premises post them having had it?
There's a little bit of concern, but
not major.
yeah, nothing.
No, because you caught a deal on the house anyway. So.
Sure.